Okay, David, one more time. I double checked this, sorry, but went online. This is the Sketchucation website. Current top version of library Frito 6 is 6.8 as of this July. It says that all these things work with that, and I believe if we go back to uh, Curviloft is in here somewhere. There it is, 1.4a, which is what I have, works with 6.3 or higher, and he mentioned somewhere else that he always maintains backward compatibility. So anyway, just to prove that, if I go to Tools, 306 Collection, Curviloft, about Curviloft 1.4, it tells you that I've got 1.4 from October 14. The Frito 6 library is 6.8. So I've got that current version. And if I want to do a loft on shapes, I select them, click loft by spine, click again, and it's done. Okay. There's that one. If I want to do a loft along path, well, first I need to select the path, select the tool, click on a surface, validate, loft along path, click again, it's done. I'm not getting any error messages, not having any trouble, and I do have the current version 6.8 of the Frito library, and I actually tested installing 6.7. I have an older version of it, but that causes Topo Shaper not to work. So we need to have that version or we can't use Topo Shaper. So anyway, I'm not sure what's going on, but I just wanted to record this, post it. I'll send you a link to it, and that just, again, hopefully that will prove to them that this does work and with the current version. So I'm not sure what the issue is, but anyway, thanks a lot.